What's up, guys? Welcome. It feels like it's been a while. Some things have happened. There's no Miata. It's not behind you. Here. Nope, no Miata. However, there's another car. The Volvo. This car is my daily driver. It's what I use to go to work every day and whatever. But there's some stuff that needs to be fixed. And don't worry, the Miata, I still have it. It's just, well, just roll the clip. Today's video is just an update pretty much. I haven't really done anything to the Miata since the coilovers. I've just been out enjoying it. But today I'm leaving it to a paint shop because of the front bumper. The previous owner decided to make this very weird looking license plate holder where he, I guess, smashed the front bumper and then drilled 2 holes in it. And I don't think it looks good. So I'm just leaving it to a paint shop. They're gonna fix those bumps, weld together the holes, and yeah, basically just repaint the front bumper. I'm just about to go to work, but before that I'm just gonna drive this car to the paint shop and have them fix it. And hopefully this will get done in just a couple days, because next week, 8 days from now, there's a car meet that I want to go to. So hopefully it's fixed by then. So yeah, the Miata is just at a workshop. Workshop? Yeah, whatever. I'm fixing the front bumper on the Miata. Whatever. You may ask, what's wrong with the Volvo? Looks crisp, yeah? No, just kidding, it doesn't. This is what's wrong. Look at it from the side. The doors are smashed. Look at that. So yeah, it's only the left side. So yesterday I went to a junkyard and got 2 new doors with the same color as this one. Here they are. Almost identical. Well, as close as I could get it. It's not the same interior. Mine has the beige interior, and this one is black. Anyways, let's get to work. So me and my dad just got the front door installed. I didn't get it on camera because my dad is always in such a hurry, so I didn't have time to set up the camera. But however, the door is in place, but this thing broke that holds the door open. This is supposed to be spring loaded and it's not, so I'm gonna have to take this assembly apart from the old door and put it in the new door. So here's the assembly, where this is supposed to lock in here, but for some reason the spring action is out. So we'll see how it looks on my old door. Let's compare the two. Oh, I don't think it was broken out. That's what it was. Now there's no spring action. I'm gonna focus. So, I mean, now there's no action, but this wasn't engaged properly. So I don't think there was a problem. Well, might as well use the other one, I guess. So, we've come across our first big problem, I guess. The door panel doesn't fit this door. And the reason is because this, let me get this off for you again. Our problem is this speaker, because it looks slightly different than the other door. Well, so turns out that I'm stupid and Volvo thought of this. So I spent the last probably 15 or 20 minutes just to get this rivet drilled out, and so that took forever, but I finally got it. So then I started doing this one and this one, like, and I'm still not through to the other side, and I've been sitting here probably for another 15 minutes or so, but then I started using my eyes for once and saw that there's like screw holes around here, and this just pops out. So yeah, I'm stupid and Volvo probably thought of this, I guess. So yeah, this made it a lot easier. So yeah, I guess we're back to installing the door panel. Okay, so I just want to try the electronics in the door. So let's do that. So let's just try and Get the window down. Does not work. Perhaps the connector is just not fully engaged. I hope that's the problem. Well, I'm running into more and more problems. So I've got the door apart again because I want to try the electronics, and none of them work except for the speakers. I can't get the windows down. I can't lock this the driver door. And yeah, I can't control the power mirrors either. So I checked the wiring and compared it to the old door, which is over there, and they're not really the same. Everything's the same except for this gray one, because my old door has more cables to it, and that's probably why I'm not getting any power to the module that sits here. So next step is to basically, since this is one whole big piece, I'm gonna have to remove the whole wiring loom from that door and put it into this one. So great fun. Okay, so after like 45 hours, I managed to get this B-pillar off. Took forever, pain in the ass. I'm also scared by the airbag curtain. So yeah, that's scary. The connector for the door is located here and goes out there, of course. So I'm gonna try to remove this now, see how it goes. Just got the back door or rear door installed, and I've tried to adjust the door striker, I think it's called. So this one, so it closes pretty good, pretty nice thump. There's a bit of a noise when you open it. It's like a click, which it's not on the other side, but I think it's the best I'll get it, so I'm gonna stick with it.
Thank you once again, guys, for watching me fail as a mechanic. But it's okay, we get there eventually. It just takes some time. So yeah, a bit of a different video today, where I'm not working on the Miata, because as I said before, It's in for some body work and some paints. So in the meantime, I thought I might as well make a video on me replacing the doors on my Volvo. I'm not sure what I'm pointing at because it's not there. Anyways, but yeah, I thought it was fun getting some variation from both working on another car and also outside, because the summer is here pretty much. Yeah, it is. But the Miata will be back probably late this week or early next week. I do got some new parts for the Miata coming. I don't think I have anything else to add. You guys will probably see more of the Volvo S60 in the near future actually. So yeah, tell me what you think down in the comments about the Volvo in general, about the video stuff, whatever. I want to keep improving. So yeah, follow me on Instagram at collision with an X instead of a O, whatever. It's here on the screen. Follow me there for some behind the scenes content and other pictures stuff. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next one.